na love ka ni Mami. Obvious naman, lahat ng ginagawa ko is para sa'yo, para sa inyo ni Ella. And I hope, I pray na lumaki kang may takot kay Lord. Ginagawa mo kung ano yung will ni Lord sa buhay mo. I pray na makita mo yung mga bagay na gustong ipakita sa'yo ni Lord. Maranasan mo yung mga bagay na the best in life, yung mga gustong iparana sa'yo ni Lord. Happy birthday, Jess! Happy birthday, Jess!
Happy birthday, Jessie! Happy birthday, Jessie!
Happy 7th birthday. We pray that you continue to be a blessing to all the people around you and may you grow in service of the Lord.
Alam ko, ito yung hinihintay mong araw. Inside Out 2 na team. So, happy birthday. Alam kong super happy mo ngayon. We hope na patuloy kang maging masayahing bata and you continue to be a blessing to your family and friends.
And you are so pretty today, and you know that I love you so much. And I will always be here for you.
She's very loving and very talented. She loves the Lord at very sweet. Patuloy kang ingatan ni Lord. At lahat ng iyong dreams, lahat ng iyong gustong mangyari sa buhay at sa paglaki, mangyari at samahan ka lagi ni Lord maging sa school mo.
Thank you po sa gift! Very for my nail! Thank you, Belong! So funny! I have like this at home! This is from Ate Gail. 2, 3, Wow! Thank you!
Happiest 7th birthday, anak. You're getting older and you're now an ate. I'm very, very proud of you. How studious you are and how really hardworking you are and very, very responsible. Growing up, lalo kang ma-inlove kay Lord and lalo kang magpatuloy na galingan sa studies mo kasi that's the thing that we can give you. Mag-aral ka and we're always here for you. Dad is always here for you, my little baby. I love you.
Dito lang kami ni Daddy, always to support you, to give the best for you, and mahal na mahal ka ni Mami.
Daddy, thank you for doing these things for me.
Wow, you're welcome, anak. I love you.
Mommy, thank you for preparing my birthday. Thank you for everything you done to me.
I love you because I love you.